Welcome to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. Let's review how to replace the cushion of the Fisher & Paykel Nova Micro CPAP mask. The Nova Micro is Fisher & Paykel's smallest and lightest nasal pillow CPAP mask yet. It provides a natural sleeping experience to help all users feel comfortable while asleep. This mask is suitable for sleep apnea patients who want a minimally designed mask with a high-performance and comfortable experience. The cushion features an innovative design that gently inflates to conform perfectly to your unique nasal contours. This provides a soft, pressure-free seal that remains secure even as you shift positions throughout the night. To replace the cushion, first attach the old cushion by pulling it straight off the frame. Then, align the new cushion with the frame, making sure the openings match, and press it into place until it clicks. Ensure the notch is at the top, as this is the correct orientation. Your CPAP mask is ready for use again. We wish you luck with your CPAP therapy. If you have any questions, call our team at 866-414-9700. Thanks for watching.